Sometimes in your Android phone, there will be two SIM. In one SIM, you may have enabled voice over LTE. If call is coming through voice over LTE, that time if you want to use internet and if you want to use secondary SIM's data, you can do that. For this, you need to change some settings. In this video, we will be telling about how to do that. For this, open settings. When you are opening settings, you can see one option, SIM cards and mobile networks. Click on this option. This option may change according to brands. In Poco and Redmi brands, options is like this. If you are having any confusions, what you can do is, above you can see search option. Here you can search for mobile networks. When you are searching for that, you can see mobile networks. Click on that. Anyways, when you are clicking on that, here you can see use mobile data during Volte calls on the secondary SIM. That means if in your first SIM, Volte call is coming, if you want to use internet, data will be used from second SIM. So you can enable this if you want. When you are clicking on that, you can see a warning message, click on OK. After that, from second SIM, you will get better internet connectivity because in first SIM already voice over LTE call is connected. So this way you can easily enable use mobile data during Volte calls on the second SIM in your Android phone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.